Hey, Chuck McCown here, back in the shop. This is one of our mastic mixers, just a hot pot, hot jacket. Go out and pick up a load of mastic from your mastic trailer and go dump it out just like our grout machines. But that's not what I wanted to show you. This is a new wheel we've come up with. Same size as the wheel and tire you use on Zahns and all of our grout machines. And then we're doing the same style back here in the back as well for the steering tire. But the thing is, this is a solid rubber tire. This is nothing more than a forklift tire. I've got machines here in my office, forklifts and man lifts that are still running on factory original tires, 20-year-old machines. We find that on these grout machines, the tires are the weakest element, and you scrub those tires, and we fill them with foam. We do everything we can to make them last longer, but there's still a problem. The rear steering tires are the worst. This is something new. We have super high hopes for it. Don't have a lot of this stuff deployed yet, but I'll give anybody a year warranty on these wheels and tires. Hopefully they're going to last as long as the forklift and other machines that use this style of tire. So just something new from Lake Wobegon here in Lake Point, Utah.